Arbaz is not just somebody that they know. He's
Yeah.
like a son to them. He's
Yeah.
like a friend to them. He's like he's family.
When you have a child, it's obviously a drastic step, but a necessary step, because it had come to a point in time where I guess that was the only way to go about making this equation as okay as
Smoother,
possible.
yeah.
I guess, we underestimate the intelligence of children. My boy was almost 12 years old. He had a fair understanding. We like to think he was aware of what was happening. They can sense it. They can almost smell things in the house. So he could see that. So there was not much needed to kind of sit him down to explain to him. But he was pretty much aware, and it was all okay.
See, news like this is never easy under
Yeah.
any circumstances. For anybody, not just son, family, friends, everybody. It's never easy. It's always literally walking on eggshells. But of course, for me, the most important aspect of my life is my child, and for me, whatever I need to tell him needs to be dealt with in the right manner. I need to make sure that whatever I tell him doesn't have unnecessary repercussions.
She is, yeah, very
I'm
calm.
very chill.
No, she's not very chill.
I'm calm.
She is also very strict with her son. Not very strict, but I'm saying she's she has the rules, the do's,
Yeah.
the don'ts. But she's more easy in terms of stress management or crisis management.
Both of us as people, no matter what the differences that we had and which led us to take this, I would say, a step which is not, when you have a child, it's obviously a drastic step, but a necessary step, because it had come to a point in time where I guess that was the only way to go about making this equation as okay as
Smoother,
possible.
yeah.
And there was a child involved, and for him, I'm there for him. Obviously, she had the custody of my child, and I felt it was fair enough, and I never wanted to even fight for the custody, because I felt at that point in time, as a mother, when the child was much younger, I guess a mother's scenario at that point in time is of much use, and so many things. There were a lot of. But now he's 17, he's going to be 18. He'll make up his mind where he wants to be, how he wants to be. I spend a lot of time with him in any case. He's a lovely boy. He's growing up to be a good boy.
Yeah, Arhan is a teenager, so the
Yeah.
most precocious, the most
Yeah.
difficult time for any child or parent for that matter. Relationships aren't built overnight.
Yeah.
You build them over a period of time. They are very, very, special and personal to everybody. You can't just snap ties
You cannot.
overnight. You can't do that, It is independent of
Absolutely.
whatever may have transpired between two adults. So that's an independent equation. They continue to have it. Like, I think my parents have said it. They have, my sisters maintain, my brother-in-law maintains that Arbaz is not just somebody that they know. He's like a son to them. He's like a friend to them. He's family.
He
At
is
the end
family.
of the day,
Unspoken.
he is my child's father. So there are certain things that can never ever be just be neglected or overlooked or buried. You can't do that.